Welcome to today's workout. Today we are training abs. Abs. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to do a quick warm-up of knee hugs. You want to hug your knee toward your chest. Your abs are engaged. And you're wondering why you even came. But I promise you it's going to be worth it. If you need a longer warm-up, pause the video. Get that in. Drop to the floor with your mat. We're going to do dead bugs. Your lower back is on the mat and you're extending one leg at a time with your hands pointing toward the ceiling. Really do your best to keep your lower back on the mat throughout this movement. You got it? Yeah, you do. Let's go. Make sure you're controlling your legs. When you extend your leg out, it should not rest on the floor. It should hover above the floor. I mean, if it touches the floor, I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to jump through the computer and get you, but do your best. Make sure your abs are doing the work. This is a great exercise. Awesome one. Bird dogs. You're going to flip over on all fours and extend one leg and the opposite arm at the same time. When you extend your arm and your leg, squeeze your abs and your glutes. Remember, this particular exercise is not about speed. It's not about how fast you can fly. It's about how you can control your body. This is what tones you up. Has you feeling good? Mariah Carey! I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's just go. You're doing good. Next up, we have quarter jacks. You are going to be in that plank position. Your wrists are directly underneath your shoulders. You are stepping one foot out at a time. Your abs are engaged and keep your hips as low to the mat as you can comfortably manage. The closer your hips are to the mat, the more difficult this is. The higher your hips are, the easier it is. Pick your level. Do what is good for your body. You look amazing. Keep going. I'm so excited for you and all the changes you're making in your life. It is going to be worth it. And I'm here to be your hype man all day, every day. I got you. Let's go. You want to stand back up? We are going to do standing oblique crunches. You're going to keep your hands at the back of your head and raise your knee as high as you can to attempt to touch your elbows. If your knees do not actually touch your elbows, it's all good. You're not a gymnast. Nobody is expecting you to be perfect. I'm just expecting you to do your best. And you showed up. Keep going. Just a few more seconds. That was wonderful. That was so good. I am proud of you. Just in case you're new here, my name is Cola, just like Coca-Cola, and I am married, and I have a son, and we live in Indiana, and we have a dog, a Jack Russell Terrier. I'm a personal trainer, and also certified in nutrition. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I guess what I'm trying to say is if you're loving my workouts, that makes me really happy because I want you to be happy. I'm here to see you win, and I want to personally invite you over to my website, kobokofitness.com, where I have planned your whole year of workouts for you, so you never have to think ever again about what to do. I have workouts for the intermediate, beginner, and advanced level, so you pick your level and do your workout every day. No thinking required. Coupon code provided below, and there's a lot of stuff I can't fit into this break period. So just come over, give it a try. It's free to try, and let's just, I think that's what I want to say. Yeah, that's it. So much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see your fine face in my next workout video.